If you just sign up for GoHighLevel and you are staring at the dashboard wondering where to even start, this video is exactly for you. I'm going to walk you through everything from the beginning, step by step, assuming you know absolutely nothing about the platform. I'm Regis, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to activate AI Studio, where to find it, and how to use it to build your first page. Let's start with the very first thing you need to do, which is something almost everyone misses. AI Studio is not turned on by default when you sign up for GoHighLevel. That means even if you have been using the platform for weeks, you might have never seen this feature. Here's exactly how to activate it. First, make sure you are in Agency View. This is the top level of your GoHighLevel account, not inside a specific sub-account. If you are not sure, look at the top of your screen and check which account view you are in. Once you are in Agency View, click on the setting in the left sidebar inside Setting. Scroll down until you find a section called Labs. Click on Labs and you'll see a list of beta features that you can toggle on. Find AI Studio in that list and toggle it on. That is it. AI Studio is now activated. Now let's find it. Go to the main navigation and look for the AI Studio as an option. Click onto it and you'll see a simple text box waiting for your first prompt. Before you type anything, let me explain what you are actually looking at. AI Studio is a natural language website and funnel builder. You describe what you want in plain English, it builds it for you. The key difference from other AI builder you might have tried is that everything it builds is already connected to GoHighLevel CRM, email system, and payment processing. So when you build a landing page here, it's not just a pretty design sitting by itself. It's a functional business page connected to a real system. Now let's build your first page. For your very first build, keep the prompt simple. Something like this. Build a landing page for business coach targeting freelancers who want to get their first corporate client. Include an opt-in form offering a free checklist in exchange for name and email, professional and clean design. Type that in and hit generate, which usually takes 5 minutes. I want you to notice something. You are not clicking two templates. You are not dragging and dropping elements. You are not choosing fonts and color manually. You describe a business goal and the AI is figuring out the design and copy for you. When it's finished, you will see a complete landing page with a headline, a sub-headline, bullet points explaining what is in the checklist, and an opt-in form. Click on the visual edit to edit it directly. If the headline isn't quite right, click it and type your version. If you want to change the color, use the style panel on the right side. The tips that most beginners miss. If something doesn't look right, don't start over from scratch. Instead, add a follow-up prompt in the text box. For example, you could type, make the headline more urgent and focus on saving time. The AI will revise just that section while keeping everything else intact. This back and forth approach is much faster than starting over. Once you are happy with how it looks, check the mobile preview. Click the mobile icon and see how your page looks on a phone screen. Most of your visitors will be on mobile, so this step is not optional. If anything looks off, you can usually fix it with a quick adjustment in the element setting. When everything looks good, hit the publish button. Your page is now live on the internet with a GoHighLevel host link. You can share that link immediately or you can connect a custom domain later if you have one. That's the complete beginner workflow. Sign up, activate AI Studio in Labs, open it from the side menu, type a clear prompt, edit what needs adjusting, check mobile and publish. No coding at any step. I know this feels like a lot of new information at once, so I made a free guide that walks through this entire process with screenshots. Every step written out clearly. The links is in my channel bio. Go grab it now. It will make following along much easier. Subscribe so you don't miss the more advanced tutorial coming next week. I will see you in the next video.